What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lex checking back in. Today we got some more kicks for you. Some tennis shoes, sneakers, kicks, whatever you want to call it. We got the Black Cat Air Jordan 4s. Retail price was $190. I'm not sure if y'all can see that, $190. This was not a limited pair of tennis shoes, so if you want to pick them up, go ahead and go to Foot Action, Champs, Foot Locker, wherever your local shoe store is. Go ahead and pick them up. I like the 4s, that's why I picked them up. Not really too big of a fan of the black on black, so I might throw them on maybe one time, you know what I'm saying, then put them back in the box. Look like they don't really have a lot of glue marks on them like Jordan's usually been doing, so that's cool about them. One thing, you might need your lint brush, lint roller, so keep that in the car with you. That way before you get out, you roll that lint brush on there, you know what I'm saying. You'll be looking spiffy, dog. So you know what I'm saying. Yeah, man. Go ahead and subscribe to your boy. And I ain't really got too much to say, but we gonna go ahead and review some Black Cat Jordan 4s today.
Fake star with the way. 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 Fake star with the way.